Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the LaColors new Metal Lippy line, which is metal lipsticks and metal lip glosses. First, we're going to be talking about these new metal lipsticks. I was so excited to see this new stuff at the Dollar Tree. So obviously all this stuff is $1 each. It is LaColors. And I would have to say that literally this is a sheer disappointment. And they are unbelievably sheer for lipsticks. I am so annoyed. On a brighter side, they do smell amazing. They smell like a MAC lipstick. They smell like vanilla. Now them being sheer, you would think maybe you can build them. No, they don't build. This one here has rough glitter in it, like a coarse kind of glitter in it. Now this one is my favorite, even though it feels a little uncomfortable on the lips, because it has the glitter in it. But it's the prettiest, honestly. Like, I don't know how well you can see this, but it's beautiful. Now, this one is called Blushed. This one here is melted, and it's kind of like a pink nude, almost mauve kind of shade. Once again, sheer. They're all sheer. It's a pretty shade, but I don't know. Like, I guess I'm just a fan of like creamy and matte lipsticks versus these metallics and with the shimmery stuff in them. They're beautiful if you're, into that kind of thing, but I just can't get over how sheer they are. This one is called Blaze, which I thought was going to be more of like a burgundy shade from the package, but it's really not. It's just a muted red. Really, you'll see it in the pictures. And this one is called Blazed, and it's a beautiful magenta kind of fuchsia shade, but it's very sheer with very predominant glitter. So it's the prettiest out of all of them. Just total disappointment on these in particular, and how they don't build. Rough on the lips, and I'm glad that I only purchased 3 shades to try. I also want to add the package claims. It says, adds a soft metallic finish to lips, lightweight formula with added aloe and vitamin E. I totally agree with that. It is kind of like, it is metallic, but I agree that it is a soft metallic because they're kind of sheer. But still, it's a lipstick. I don't feel that they should be that sheer. And they are, melted and blazed are moisturizing on the lips. They're very nice on the lips, but this one has that coarse glitter in it, so it's a little bit different. Next up is the metal lip glosses, and the package claim is a long wearing formula gives lips a rich metallic finish. Absolutely they do. I'm so shocked at these metal lip glosses. Now, usually I'm not the biggest fan of lip glosses. I don't like how they feel on my lips, especially if they're sticky. If you're wondering, these are not sticky, and these have the most wonderful caramel kind of scent to them that I've ever smelled in a lip gloss. They smell so amazing. This one is cultured, and this one is spicy, and they glide on your lips. They're so smooth, and they dry on your lips. Not uncomfortable dry, but they dry and set like a long-lasting lipstick. But these are long-lasting lip glosses. They still kind of dry. They are very metallic. I don't know if you can tell, but this one is full of glittery goodness. This one is more just metallic, but this one has the glitter as well. This is just like a kind of beigey nude shade, and this is a coral peachy shade. These are so comfortable on your lips, you guys, and I cannot speak for the whole line, but I am very happy with these two that I picked up. And they do transfer when you start eating and drinking, of course, after they've dried and set, like most of these long wearing lip products. And these are super pigmented, way more pigmented than those lipsticks, you guys. It's pretty embarrassing, I think. Like, there's not many LaColors products that I don't really like, just love in general, because I love LaColors. But those lipsticks were a total bust for me. Maybe some of you like them a lot, but I'm just not a fan of them. But yes, that's all. These, I highly recommend checking out the lip glosses. Definitely, 100%. Go check the lip glosses out. They had a ton of different shades that range from nude to your reds, which is awesome. Your plums, I can't wait to go get some more of these. They're so nice. But that's all for the review. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other additional questions about the products that you have. Any video requests, anything like that, leave it in the comment section below. Always check that description box for additional DollarTree links and reviews for DollarTree. And thank you guys always for watching.